Hi everyone. Today we're going to roll our feet, the most important roll you can do. So I am going to use my Nano Foot Roller, but you can absolutely use your grid, a ball, any of your toys. We're going to place the roller or grid on the floor, and we're going to think of rolling the foot right from the bottom of that heel all the way to the base of the toes. So we don't roll over the toes and you don't roll all the way to the back of the foot. Okay, so we're going to stand beside our roller and you'll place your foot on top of your roller. So here you can see I'm not all the way at the back. I'm a little bit forward of my heel bone. And right off the bat, we should feel a little pressure point. The way we're going to adjust our resistance is more weight on the foot on the floor will be easier. More weight on the grid or the roller will make this a little bit more intense. We're going to roll towards our toes and try to keep those toes nice and relaxed. So we're going for a big breath in as we roll that roller towards our toes. Big breath in. Slow, consistent, even pace. Let those toes roll over the grid just till the base of the foot, the base of the toes. And then exhale back to right before that heel bone. Okay? So speed of the roll matches speed of breath. Full inhale as that grid rolls along the sole of the foot right to the pads. And then full exhale. Speed of the roll matches speed of the breath. Some of you might find this really intense. Shift more of your weight onto that planted leg. Full inhale. Try to keep toes relaxed. Consistent speed. Try to roll through those trigger points till you hit the pads of the foot. Let those toes relax over. Full exhale back to that start position. And you may find you're starting to sink lower into the roller. Move to the left. Stick with me. Full inhale. Speed of the roll matches speed of breath. Full exhale. Roll through the sole of the foot, through those arches, all the way back to the tip of that heel bone. Last one here for me. Try to have those toes relaxed. Weight on the roller. Tiny bend in that knee. Fingers relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Breathing. Let those toes curl over. And we have that slow control back to our start position. Nice and easy roll. Exhale. Till you're back to that start position. And come off of that. Okay. Give yourself a second here to regroup, recover. Might mean some ankle circles. Maybe place that foot on the floor, see how it feels. Okay, going to that other foot, I'm going to do pivot. Now, just because it's the exact same roll, it might feel completely different on that opposite foot. So pay attention how much weight we're putting on foot on the floor versus foot on the roller. We're going to place that foot up on the roller. And again, I'm not on my heel bone. I'm slightly in front of that. We're trying to roll through the muscles of the bottom of the foot, not over joints, not over bone. Okay? Place that planted foot right beside the roller or the ball. Let those toes relax. Get set, get balanced, and we're going to do that full inhale. So full inhale, speed of the roll matches speed of breath. The length of time it takes you to inhale, that's how long it's going to take us to roll that grid to the fat pads. And then full exhale. Let's roll back. Nice, slow and controlled till the back of that, or the front of that heel. All right, so it's not a very big zone. Full inhale. We have 5. We're not rolling onto toes. We're not rolling over bones. We're not rolling over joints. We're going to stop just at the end of that arch. Let the toes curl over and slow, consistent speed on the way back. One of the hardest parts of rolling might be the slow, consistent pace. Everyday life wants us to move nice and fast. I'm asking you to slow it down. Here's number 3. We're going to inhale, slow, controlled. Try to roll through each piece like it's a different section, each little piece of that bottom of that foot. And then full exhale. Roll all the way back to our start position. We have 2 to go. Try not to think of where we need to go after this, what we need to do. Take our time, full inhale, pressure, pushing down onto that roller, only as much as you can handle, enabling us to have that full inhale, and then that slow, full exhale. Try to have those toes relaxed. Roll all the way back to our start position. We have 1 more here, so stick with it. And we'll reap the benefits. Full inhale. Big breath in as we roll all the way along that arch. Good. This side for sure. Good. Full exhale feels very different than my other foot. Full exhale back to the middle. And rest that foot there. Okay, a lot of our fascia, we're doing fascia rolling. A lot of it starts on the sole of our feet, right? So loosening through soles of feet helps alleviate tension through the entire system, as well as we're on our feet a lot through the day, so taking care of them is so very important. Hope you, I'll say, enjoyed the roll, but maybe hit some trigger points. So hopefully you reap the benefits of the roll, might be a better word. And I'll see you in hopefully some of our other grid sessions. Have a great day.